grounding into the present moment. Take a second to settle down. Allow your body to become still. Close your eyes gently or keep it gazing into the horizon. Let your hands rest naturally and let your shoulders drop. And breathe deep into your abdomen. Bring your attention to your breath. Do not change it. Just be observant and present with it. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Notice the settle pause between them. Now begin to slow the breath slightly. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let each breath carry you deeper into stillness. Now, bring awareness to your senses without moving too much. Notice 5 things you can hear. Pause between each. Let the sounds come to you. Now, 4 things you can feel in your body. It could be the weight of your body, the contact with the ground, the temperature of the air. Just simply observe. There's nothing to fix, nothing to change. Just pause. Now, 3 things you can see if your eyes are open. Excellent. Now, 2 things you can smell, even subtle smells or even faint smells. Finally, 1 thing you can taste, or simply notice the space in your mouth. Now bring everything together: the sound, the sensations, the breath, all happening at once. There is nothing to change, nothing to fix, just presence alone. If any thought arise for the unknown, let them pass like clouds moving across the sky. No need to follow, just return to your breath. Take one deeper breath in and a longer breath out. Feel the weight of your body again. Feel where you are now. You are here. Slowly wiggle your fingers